Hey everyone, Barry here in Nebraska. I'd like to give a big shout out to Ted. I recently came across Ted's Woodworking online course, and I'm so glad that I did. The amount of plans included with the program simply blew my mind. The content they offer with the course provided me with so many ideas for creative projects, as well as some awesome furniture ideas and plans that my wife now wants in our home. If you're considering buying Ted's Woodworking Course, the return on your investment will be lifelong. Being one that loves woodworking, I have to say, they offer the most detailed collection of plans I've ever seen. I would also rank it as one of the best values of any woodworking course I've ever taken. Thanks for creating it, Ted. You did well.
Ted's Woodworking Plans Review. So how long would it take you to check out 15,000 woodworking project plans, let alone build them all? Have you ever considered how heavy a book of 15,000 woodworking plans would actually be? Now, of all the downloadable digital products available online for woodworking projects, Ted's Woodworking Plans is the #1 bestseller by far. With thousands of copies sold, it has remained top of the charts for years now. Not least because of the amount of content it contains. And that is a lot. I have yet to see another woodworking course that includes over 15,000 woodworking project plans. Plans created by woodworking professionals so you can emulate them with confidence. And that's whether you want to improve your woodworking skills as a hobbyist or are looking to create items to sell. Whatever the case, you will be spoiled for choice here. In fact, we have some free sample projects for you to download. Just click the link in the description beneath this video. Now, the guy behind this online course is Ted McGrath, and he's a professional carpenter and designer of woodworking projects and has been for decades. So click the link below to check out just some of his clients' rave reviews. So let's look at just some of the pros of purchasing Ted's Woodworking Plans today. Well, as I said, you are spoiled for choice. Choose from over 15,000 projects for beginners, intermediate woodworkers, or advanced woodworkers. And you will also get a DWG DAD file viewer and a 3D modeling software. Great tools to see what a finished project will actually look like. Plus, you're going to get a 200-page guide on woodworking skills at whatever level you currently are. And 150 project videos, perfect for those of us that would rather watch than read. But obviously you will need to refer to the plans for the details when watching any of those videos. But that's easy, just print them out as you need them. Now let's talk about the cons. As I said earlier, the amount of plans you will have to hand might appear somewhat overwhelming at first. But that said, the sheer amount of training, files, plans and videos makes this a complete no-brainer if woodworking is your passion, or if it's a hobby that you want to pursue while being mentored by a woodworking pro. And being a digital download, the price is seriously low. Click the link below for those free sample plans. And if you've a mind to, don't forget to like our video. That would be very much appreciated. Then go grab your free plans via the link below.